Hello, thank you for coming. Today we're going to do a Dollar Tree notepad holder. These are the ones that you're seeing going around. This is made out of wood and it was made with a Glowforge machine. You can use any cutting machine, a laser cutter, to make these, but I got a Glowforge. However, everybody doesn't have it. So I bought this item from the Dollar Tree and it's a 2-pack. Here's the back of the numbers if you want to see that. So this one, I cut the string already, so just going to take 2 parts out. Okay, so I want to just do one, and you could do anything you want to do. If you don't have a cutting machine, everybody might have, like, I don't say everybody, but a lot of people have like the Cameos and the Crickets and the Solos and the Brother machines. However, so I did cut out the name and everything on Oracle 651, and I'm using a Silhouette Cameo. So I have these things that's going on here. This and this. So I cut this all up is Oracle 651, but the Dollar Tree has letters as well over there in the craft section. This came from the craft section, and we're going to use some transfer tape. So the first thing I'm going to do is do to Miss Thomas. I'm just going to I'm rubbing it with my hand. I don't have my scraper, so it'll work. This is a cheap way if you don't have enough money. Some kids have 4 or 5 teachers. Oh, my camera's falling. 4 or 5 teachers. Okay. So I'm just going to tilt it this way. So we're going to lay this right there. So we got that down. So you see the hole at the top of this. If you don't have, like this string right here, if you don't have string at home, the Dollar Tree has them as well. I'm not all over again, I'm sorry. But if you don't have the string at home, you can use some string from the Dollar Tree, and the Dollar Tree have beads as well. And you can string that back through there and just string it up and put a bead right there and have that dangling, but we're not going to do that. We're going to I'm also do this one real fast. This is the same size, this square right here that I have, this is the same size as the notepad. You don't have to do this part. You don't have to do another part. You could do it any way you like, but this right here is the same size as the notepad. And I'm just doing this just because it's going to be an empty white spot. Even though you're going to have the notepad sitting there, we're going to, when they run out, we're just going to put a green square. You can use any square you want. And we're going to use green. And there you have it so far. This is what we got so far. So I have some squiggly lines, some squiggly circle type things. I don't know what they're really called. And we have some dots. I'm going to cover that dot. Cover this hole with one of these dots. We don't want, I should have made it a little bit bigger. Like that. Because we don't want that there. So I'm not going to put no bead on there or anything like that. I have the beads here, but I'm trying to make it not so costly for people to make these for the kids' teachers. So we're going to do, oh, my transfer tape went. Let me get another piece. Oh, here we go. So we got that there. So we're going to put a squiggly line, one of these squiggly things. And we just pop one up here. And again, you can make these any color. You can do these any color, whatever vinyl you have. And if you don't have vinyl on hand, you got a cutting machine, but you ran out of vinyl, Dollar Tree has it. I'm not sure how good it is. I do have it. I never used it yet, but I guess I'll do a video on my opinion on that as well. So I just got a couple dots up. So you just add some dots anywhere you would like them to be. And so far, that's what we have. We're going to put some, we can put these big ones here. And put one here. And we'll have one here. And then we're going to put some green dots throughout here as well. So just if you try this, leave me a message and let me know if you're gonna give it a try. If you got a channel, do it and then tag me in it so I can see what you come up with. You can leave me a comment down below if you're gonna give it a try. All right, so that might be enough. So there you have it. So the back of the notepad, to make this stick on there, you might be asking, like, how you gonna make it stick? The back of the pad, we're just gonna take one off, and it's sticky. So we're just gonna lay that on top of the square. You don't have to have the square on there at all if you don't want to. And there you have it. You just line it. It's not lined up, but we just line it up. However, you just line it up to be correctly on the pad. And you get the size of the pad is 3 inches by 3 inches. And that's the size of that green square. So you just line it up. And there you have it. A little notepad that teacher can write on. And you could do any color vinyl. And I bought these notepads came from the Dollar Tree. And you get 5 pads in there. These came from the Dollar Tree, and you get 2 for $1.25. My store didn't move up to the $1 plus yet. I see stuff coming in there for $5 and things like that, so it's getting ready to change. But right now, these two are $1.25, and the notepads are $1.25. And this vinyl I got from a big company that I just buy a whole lot, and I just have it for all year. So thanks for watching. Here you go. And please sub. Thanks. And here you go. See, it's not falling. Thank you for watching.